Welcome to the best picks. The best charcuterie boards is probably one of the most visually appealing and delicious ways to entertain. These boards are more than just a meal, they're a statement, a conversation starter, and a testament to the joy of sharing good food. Whether you're a seasoned host or a beginner, the right book can transform your gatherings into unforgettable experiences. Number 5. Beautiful Boards, 50 Amazing Snack Boards. This book is all about creating stunning snack boards. It offers 50 amazing ideas for any event, from casual get-togethers to special celebrations. Inside, you'll find a variety of board themes. It covers everything from sweet treats to savory delights, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether it's a party, a holiday, or just a cozy night in, this book has you covered. It provides inspiration and guidance for every occasion. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You'll learn how to arrange your boards beautifully and impress your guests. It encourages you to get creative with your food. You can customize the boards to your own tastes and preferences. What we like. This book offers a wide array of snack board ideas. It's perfect for any event, from casual get-togethers to formal celebrations. If you are looking for a versatile guide with options for every mood, you should consider this one. What people say. The step-by-step instructions and beautiful photos make it easy to recreate the designs, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a casual gathering. From savory spreads to sweet treats, this book has it all. Boards were unique with recipes, instructions, and pictures. Number 4. Beautiful Boards, 50 Amazing Snack Boards. Are you looking for creative snack ideas? This book is filled with inspiration for any occasion. It offers a variety of beautiful boards. Discover 50 unique and delicious snack board creations. Each board is designed to impress, making it perfect for entertaining or a simple treat. It's a must-have for food lovers. From casual gatherings to special events, there's a board for every moment. Whether it's a holiday celebration or a cozy night in, it has you covered. You'll find the perfect board here. The book provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It's easy to create stunning boards, even if you're a beginner. You will be amazed by what you can create. Start creating your own beautiful boards now. This book will transform your snacking experience. Get ready to impress your friends and family with it. What we like. This book simplifies the art of charcuterie. It provides easy-to-follow arrangements and recipes, perfect for beginners. If you are new to charcuterie and want a stress-free experience, you should choose this one. What people say. The step-by-step instructions and beautiful photos make it easy to recreate the designs, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a casual gathering. From savory spreads to sweet treats, this book has it all. Boards were unique with recipes, instructions, and pictures. Number 3. Easy Charcuterie Boards, Recipes and Pairings. Today, we're diving into the world of easy charcuterie boards. This book is your guide to creating stunning arrangements for any occasion. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special celebration, this book has you covered. It provides inspiration and tips for every event. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious recipes. It includes everything from classic combinations to creative new ideas. Learn how to pair your charcuterie with the perfect accompaniments. It offers suggestions for cheeses, meats, and more. With this book, you can easily create your own charcuterie masterpiece. It's a fun and accessible way to impress your guests. What we like. This book focuses on creating visually stunning food spreads. It's ideal for those who love to impress with their presentation. If you like to create Instagram-worthy food displays, you should definitely pick this one. What people say. Lots of great information on how to create a charcuterie board. I love this board. It is well made and every time I've used it, I get lots of compliments on the board. Looks really nice. Number 2. Spectacular Spreads, 50 Amazing Food Spreads. Are you ready to elevate your culinary game? This book is packed with 50 incredible food spreads, perfect for any event. It's your guide to creating delicious and impressive dishes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this book has something for everyone. The recipes range from simple dips to more sophisticated creations, You'll find the perfect spread for any taste. Imagine wowing your guests with stunning spreads. This book provides step-by-step instructions and beautiful photos. It will help you create unforgettable meals. From casual get-togethers to elegant parties, this book has you covered. It offers ideas for holidays, game nights, and everything in between. It's the ultimate entertaining resource. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your meals. Grab your copy of this book and start creating amazing food spreads today. You'll be amazed at what you can create. What we like. This book is all about entertaining and sharing food. It provides recipes perfect for platters and plates. If you enjoy hosting and want to create a social eating experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Fun book to flip through for ideas on how to make an inviting, delicious spread of food for guests. The guests call it a gourmet cookout event. It was very fun to put together and saved me a ton of research. All the planning is done for you. The spreads in this book are absolutely spectacular, and the details Megan included on how to easily and successfully serve them makes hosting and feeding a crowd so easy. Number 1. Boards, platters, plates, recipes for entertaining. This book is all about creating amazing food presentations. It offers a variety of recipes perfect for sharing and snacking. You'll find everything you need to impress your guests. Discover delicious recipes designed for sharing. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special occasion, this book has you covered. It provides creative ideas for every event. Find easy and delicious snack ideas. It simplifies the art of entertaining with simple recipes. This book will become your go-to guide for effortless snacking. Learn how to create stunning food displays. It provides tips and tricks for arranging your food. You can transform any meal into a visual masterpiece. This book is suitable for any event. It offers a wide range of recipes. It's perfect for both small gatherings and large parties. What we like. This book offers a wide array of snack board ideas. It's perfect for any event, from casual get-togethers to formal celebrations. If you are looking for a versatile guide with options for every mood, you should consider this one. What people say. Super fun, super cute ideas for a party of just a change from the normal family dinner. Lots of great ideas that can be used as part of a board as suggested or served alone as a treat. This beautiful cookbook is full of excellent ideas for presenting good food in an artistic way. It will inspire everyone to make their presentations more beautiful and appealing to their guests. The recipes are presented in an easy-to-follow format, and there is a beautiful photograph of each board, platter, or plate so that anyone can create a beautiful display of food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.